It's an all-out summer weekend ahead as far as the weather goes.
Yeah.
It's hot, humid.
A little thunderstorm chance. Yeah, it's kind of how it's supposed to be. So welcome to good old-fashioned summertime. Good old-fashioned summertime. You know what you need with a good old-fashioned summer day? How about some lemonade? And we'll get to the reason why coming up in a second. Tomorrow, we will start off warm with temperatures in low 70s. Some clouds around, maybe a little fog for a few folks. We get to the middle of the day, more sunshine, getting hot. We're into the low 80s. We're going to be pushing the low 90s tomorrow. Oh, yeah, and it will get muggy again, too. So let's talk about all this. We take you to the MaxTrack Live Doppler, which is a much quieter scenario than it has been. And that is a good thing. Yeah, you see all this blue and all this stuff going on. That's just ground clutter showing up, some inversions. That's a little, when it gets all speckly like that's how you can tell it's not the real deal. Where it is a real deal is out toward the Pennyrile. And with that, you are looking at the edge of what is a big thunderstorm complex that will have no effect on our weather aside from some blow-off cirrus clouds. Starting tomorrow, it's an invasion of the muggies. Also starting tomorrow, keep cool with cool, delicious Lemonade Days lemonade that helps the Salvation Army. It is kids helping kids. So you see a stand, you stop, you buy a glass of lemonade for $1 or whatever they're charging, but add a little something to the pot there too. Because again, all the money that's raised here stays here, and that's been over $500,000 in the last dozen years just from lemonade. In the 8-day, we're going to heading to summertime popcorn. And that means popcorn little thunderstorms that'll pop up as we get you, especially, say, from Sunday and beyond. Before that happens, we've got the heat. And normal high 86, that's as warm as our normal high ever gets. So that's going to be with us from now through the middle of August. Above normal today, getting hot over the weekend, and we stay above normal going well into next week and beyond. We've been talking about a heat ridge building. Well, this is what it looks like. Denver today, the 105 for them, tied their all-time record high. Wasn't even the hottest spot around. Look at Manhattan, Kansas. I mean, it's K-State, so it's 106 there today. Dallas was 100. All the purpley pinkies that you see, that's all 100 degrees plus. So there is your heat dome, which today, as close as St. Louis. Now, that edge of the heat dome, that's a big deal weather-wise, and we'll look at the reason why coming up in just a sec. Right now, Bluegrass Airport, it's a humid 76 with a light northeast wind, and most everybody's sitting in the mid-70s here at the 11 o'clock hour. Okay, the edge of that heat ridge, what's going on there? Look at that thunderstorm complex diving straight south through western Kentucky. It was a nasty one, still is a nasty one. You see the severe thunderstorm watches with it, but not coming this way. So here you go, high pressure sliding to the east, the cold front gone. Warm front takes its place tomorrow as it passes by to the north and west. That introduces the next batch of muggy air. Now we'll enjoy that for a while. Saturday, your weekend, begins with sunshine. Even though the future track trying to paint a couple showers there, I really do think Saturday ends up staying dry for us. Sunday, it has a little better chance of those popcorn thunderstorms. Clearing, warm night, little fog possibility will drop down to the low 70s tomorrow. It's low 90s under a mostly sunny sky. That heat index 95 to 100 tomorrow afternoon. We'll stay in that same realm for a while. Let's go mostly sunny on Saturday, low 90s. Slight chance of a thunderstorm Sunday, better chances Monday, Tuesday, and the 4th looks like a typical summer day.
Looks pretty good. Thanks, Bill.